Good morning, all. My name is Joseph Patrick, and second year student doing software engineering. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today we're gonna discuss about artificial intelligence. It's my research actually. Um, I'm at Makerere University, as you see, and College of Computing and Information Sciences. Actually, according to my research is based on the project called CropSense. CropSense is a project which is basically used by farmers, local farmers, and other professional farmers. They use it to diagnose their crops. Basically, it's an AI tool that is used just by the farmers to diagnose their crops. It means that you take a photo of something, then yeah, you put it there, it diagonizes and can provide some recommendations according to the disease that it is suffering from. So let's continue. Uh, First of all, my fundamental questions on this research are only these two. First is, can computer think? So basing on the crop sense project, I'm going to ask, like, can crop sense think? That's the first thing. The second is, could we ever have a computer that is able to think, or could you ever have crop sense that is able to think? So after that, when you first ask that question, people have different understandings about what is thinking. Of myself, I aligned my research on this um, definition, which says that thinking is an act of using mind to consider something carefully. I think you can get me. Thinking is an act of using mind to consider something carefully. So let's continue. We're going to first, as I said, my project is aligned with crop sense. It's called crop sense and is aligned with all. It's an AI tool, as I said, that diagnose crop diseases using photos, text, and voice note. It can be able to tell which disease is affecting crops after diagnosis, and to provide specialized recommendations and other preventive or mitigation measures on that pests or diseases. It mimics agronomist behavior, but it lacks true understanding, self-awareness, and self-reflection, and intuition, sorry. Basically, when we come to, first of all, how the idea of this crop sense came, actually, it first of for the first time, it came when I was thinking about our local farmers. Personally, I'm from some places like they like farming, but you find that agronomists are somehow expensive and are there in environment. So it's better. We needed something which can help us in our daily lives, agriculture, so that if your crops are suffering, it's better that you do what? Just use your phone and you can snap the crop, or you can get a photo or text or speak according to what you really want and what you're able to do. Then it can easily give you the recommendations. First, it diagnose the crops, and then it gives you the, how can I call it, the recommendations of what can you do. If it is spraying some pesticides, that's fine. If it is maybe removing some branches which are already affected, that's fine. So the reason why I'm saying that it mimics agronomist behavior, it is because actually it can easily replace agronomists, as the way agronomist does. Like, you call them, they come and assess your crops and say this is they can give you recommendations and whatever. So that's how my crop sense is supposed to be working. So my all my research aligned with this project of mine. I'm yet to start it, about just I was about to start about working on it. So yeah, that is it. But I also say that it lacks true understanding. It lacks self-awareness and children. As I said, it can easily replace the agronomist, but still, We have to first understand, does this crop sense really understand what is a disease even? Does really have self-awareness to say, oh, I understand how these crops are suffering. I understand how, uh, depending on this and that, I really know that this is should be also the problem that is facing. Just being self-aware that I know this is the really this is really the disease that is true there. So and then also intuition. Sometimes I can explain intuition as something which, how can I say, it's a let me first stop there. But oh yeah, let me continue. It's okay. It's okay. Yep. Okay. So let's start with the question number one, that can crop sense really think? Uh during the class, during the class, we learned about Turing tests, and then we got to find that if a machine can convincingly imitate human conversations, therefore it can think. It can think. That's it. But still, let me first talk about this. Yeah. Ugandaza kuza mvuge imitate human conversation, therefore it thinks. Corp itself it passes surface level imitations that is lack the genuine understanding. Mazendo ni saha chenda siragezwa na ngenda mfuya. Since Chinese law managed this by showing that symbol manipulation by yeah, manage this. Brain cause minds. Brain in physical, having brains, having have also to check on these things first, read about it, and then I will stop my thing. Then fast and heuristic based. What is heuristic? Slow and logic. Yeah, should first now self-awareness and consciousness, embodiment, options. Yeah, then I come here. Good. Pause the stop recording.